Majority of the restaurants, problema po nila palagi is cook. Pangalawa po, yung pag-i-inventory.
2,599 pesos, pwede ka na magsimula ng food business mo. So, tara!
We started Nanang's 2021 po. Nanang's is the Kapampangan word for nanay.
Itong Nanang's ay Pampanga-based food manufacturer ng mga ready-to-heat and easy-to-cook frozen foods. Nagsimula sila magbenta online since 2021.
Ang bestseller po namin is the sisig.
150 pesos, 250 grams to, ha?
Many of our customers, they buy barbecue from us, kinasal, and some other products, then they use it for their business.
Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-inventory, nakatariya na to eh.
At sa halagang 2,599 pesos, pwede ka na magsimula ng kanilang reseller starter package na may kasamang 22 packs ng iba't ibang pork dishes tulad ng sisig, barbecue, boppies, tapa, at marami pang
Our
iba.
concept is working. Number one, the products are really good. They are manufactured in a FDA licensed facility, yung komisari po namin. Bukod sa fast-moving na, maganda rin po yung tubo. Kung kayo po ay OFW na gusto pong maging dealer or distributor, kung kayo rin po ay isang canteen, karinderya, restaurant, convenience store owner, this business is perfect po sa inyo.
Pwede mong bisitahin ang kanilang first and only factory outlet na nasa Angeles, Pampanga, along Aniceta Guepco Street, sa Barangay Pulong Maragul, just a few minute drive from Marquee Mall. Open araw-araw from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m.
We're from Pampanga and our food is really good.
Stay hungry!